Good morning, students. I am Professor Jagdale, and I am going to teach thermodynamics subject for this academic year. Now, I have done my masters of heat transfer in the heat transfers, and I have done. I'm also PhD pursuing. So I'm going to teach you the thermodynamics subject. So in this thermodynamics subjects, you have to give the 30 marks in SEM examination, 70 marks in SEM examination, and 50 marks oral. So keep in mind, in the 30 marks in SEM examination, we have to write the theory papers. Okay, and in the ENSEM examinations, these are the universities going to take this examination, and they are going to set the question paper, and at the university level evaluation of the ENSEM exams going to be happen. And in the ENSEM examination, university is going to set the question paper, but the evaluation of the ENSEM exam is at college level. Next is the oral. So whatever the experiments you are going to be studying in the thermodynamics, you are going to give the orals of 50 marks on that basis. So this is the overall structure of the thermodynamics subject. Now we are going to first discuss what is meant by thermodynamics. Okay, many of you have seen that this thermodynamics subject is the basic subject of the engineering. You have also discussed in the first year of the engineering, and those who are coming from diploma to the degree level, this thermodynamics very much important, because you can see the field of science which deals with the energies possessed by the gases and the vapors is known as the thermodynamics. Keep in mind, in this thermodynamics, these energies that possessed by the gases and vapors. Okay, so you have to deal in this thermodynamics subject. Okay, so it also includes conversion of these energies in terms of heat and mechanical work. So the best example is the IC engine. Okay, so the you can see in the relation between the heat and the mechanical work and their relationship with the properties of the system. So all these you are going to discuss in the thermodynamics. So that's why we are saying that the thermodynamics is the science of energy transfer and its effect on the physical properties of the substance. So it is based upon the observations of the common experience, okay, which have been formulated into thermodynamics laws. Okay, so these laws are the prepared by observing the various experience. Okay, so these laws governs the principle of energy, then conversion. So the application of thermodynamics laws and principles are found in all fields of the energy technology. Okay, the steam and nuclear power plant, or we can say combustion of engine, gas turbine, air conditioning and refrigerator. Okay, so this is the brief discussion we are going to see in the thermodynamics. Now we are going to discuss what is meant by thermodynamics system. Okay, now the thermodynamic system may be broadly defined as the definite area or space where some thermodynamic processes are taking place. So it is a region where our specific attention is focused for studying thermodynamic processes. Okay, and the thermodynamic system has its boundaries, and anything outside the boundaries is called as the surrounding. Okay, keep in the mind. We are going to see one example also, but initially we are going to discuss what is meant by thermodynamic system. So we can say thermodynamic system has its boundaries, and anything outside that boundary is called as the surrounding. Okay, so these boundaries may be, we are saying these boundaries may be fixed or these boundaries may be movable. Suppose we are considering the example of the room, the boundaries of the rooms are fixed, and if you are going to see the fluid flowing inside the pipeline, the boundaries of that pipeline, as water passes further, the boundaries are the movable. Okay, so in the thermodynamic system, first we are going to discuss one example. I am going to assume this system. Okay, you can see this system is blocked by this boundary wall. Okay, and this boundary wall, okay, encloses a specific area, and this area is known as the thermodynamic system. Okay, and the line which we have drawn over this is called as the system boundary. Okay, and anything outside this system boundary is called as the surrounding, or we can say universe also. So you can see this surrounding or universe directly impact on the behavior of the system. Okay, so in today's lecture we have discussed what is the nature of this thermodynamic subject, and what is meant by thermodynamics, what is meant by thermodynamic system, and the relation between the thermodynamic system, boundary, and the universe. Okay, so also we have discussed what are the impact of the universe on the system. So these are for today's lecture. Thank you.